Hey traders, Arjun here. How does a casino make billions of dollars when they lose almost half the time? They lose on blackjack. They lose on roulette. They lose on poker. But at the end of the year, the casino always wins. Always. The answer to this question changed how Rahul thinks about trading forever. Rahul learns to think like a casino. The casino's edge is tiny. On most games, the casino wins 51 to 52% of the time. That means they lose 48 to 49% of the time. Almost half. But here is the magic. Over 10,000 bets, over 100,000 bets, the math is unbeatable. A 1 to 2% edge, applied over massive volume, generates billions. The casino does not care about any single hand. They care about the 10,000 hands. The law of large numbers. Flip a coin 10 times. You could get 7 heads and 3 tails. That is a 70% heads rate. Completely random. Meaningless. Now flip that same coin 10,000 times. You will get approximately 5,000 heads and 5,000 tails. The more you flip, the closer you get to the true probability. This is the law of large numbers. And it is the most important concept in trading. Your trading edge is a simple formula. Win rate multiplied by average win, minus loss rate multiplied by average loss. If you win 55% of the time with an average win of 2,000, and lose 45% with an average loss of 1,500, your edge per trade is 55% times 2,000 minus 45% times 1,500. That equals 1,100 minus 675. Positive 425 per trade. If this number is positive, you will make money over enough trades. But how many trades is enough? 10 trades? Meaningless. You cannot judge anything from 10 trades. 50 trades? You're starting to see patterns, but the data is still noisy. 100 trades? Now your edge is emerging. The noise is fading. The signal is showing up. 500 trades? Your system is proven or disproven. No ambiguity. No excuses. If you're profitable after 500 trades, your edge is real. If not, change your system. Here is what most traders do not understand. You will have losing weeks even with a winning system. 5 losses in a row is completely normal at a 55% win rate. It is not a bug. It is a feature of probability. The math guarantees that losing streaks will happen. A 55% system will have 5 consecutive losses roughly once every 2 months. This is not your system failing. This is variance. And variance is temporary. Losing 5 in a row feels like the system is broken. Your stomach drops. You start second-guessing every rule. Maybe the market changed. Maybe the strategy stopped working. But the math says 5 losses in a row will happen roughly once per month at a 55% win rate. This is when most traders quit. They feel the pain of losses and abandon a winning system right before it recovers. The casino never quits after a losing night. Neither should you. Rahul stops judging individual trades. A win is not proof the system works. A loss is not proof it is broken. He starts judging his system over 100-plus trades. Not 10, not 20, 100 minimum. He stops saying I had a bad trade. He starts saying I'm executing my system. The individual trade is irrelevant. The system over hundreds of trades is everything. Rahul creates a spreadsheet. Every single trade logged. Entry, exit, win or loss, running win rate, running profit and loss. After 10 trades, his win rate is 40%. He feels terrible. After 50 trades, his win rate is 52%. Getting better. After 100 trades, 57% win rate. Plus 12% return. The edge is real. It was always there. He just needed enough trades for the math to work. Rahul's casino mindset rules. 1 trade is irrelevant. 100 trades is your truth. Focus on the system, not the result of any single trade. Losing streaks are mathematically guaranteed. They're not system failure. Track every trade in a spreadsheet. Your edge only shows up in the data, not in your feelings. Never quit a winning system during a losing streak. The casino never panics after one losing hand. And neither should you. Think in probabilities. Trade in volume. Let the math work. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.